In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Hummer H3 located at the base of your windshield. Now first thing, you want to go ahead and grab that wiper arm and gently pull it away. You're going to fold the wiper blade and you're going to reach up behind this hook right here. This is a J hook, and you're going to reach behind it, and there's going to be a little spring tab on the wiper arm itself, and you're going to push it towards the blade and push the wiper inward. Now in doing this here, the blade is going to come off of the arm. The arm is spring loaded, so don't release it because it can snap and hit the windshield and break it. So you're going to press that tab in and slide it inward and slide that off. Now if you want, you can flip that back up like so and that'll hold it, or you can rest it gently up against the glass. Go ahead and grab your new wiper blade, and you want to position it so that it has the round portion right here. This side here is the locking portion. So take that part, lift up your arm, put it into the J hook and pull it towards you gently. And you're going to feel it and hear it snap into place. Just give it a little wiggle back and forth. Now on the two ends, if your wiper blades have these little caps, go ahead and slide those off, rest that down, and do the same for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.